In an increasingly toxic kitchen appliance industry where heavy chemical usage is the norm, buying the best non-toxic slow cooker is super important if you want to prevent dangerous chemicals from leaching into your food. With that in mind, I decided to research and rank the healthiest slow cookers on the market to see which products are most worth buying. Just be sure to click the links in the description box to see the latest prices for each of the products. While not a standalone slow cooker, the Instant Pot Duo Plus offers incredible versatility with its food-grade 304 stainless steel cooking pot, making it an excellent non-toxic, slow cooking option for health-conscious home cooks. Although handy for slow cooking, this 6-quart powerhouse does far more than just slow cook. You'll appreciate the food-grade stainless steel inner pot with tri-ply bottom that distributes heat evenly without introducing potentially harmful chemicals into your meals. The anti-spin design keeps the pot secure during sautéing, giving you better control when browning meats or vegetables before slow cooking. Meal planning becomes remarkably simpler with the Duo Plus. You can set it to slow cook while you're at work and come home to a perfectly prepared dinner. The improved easy release steam switch takes the stress out of pressure cooking, automatically resetting when the lid is closed for foolproof operation every time. The redesigned control panel gives you at-a-glance cooking status updates through a full progress bar. No more guessing about cooking stages or time remaining. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can prepare everything from hearty stews to yogurt with single-touch convenience. Cleanup won't add to your household chores since the cooking pot and accessories are dishwasher safe. The stainless steel finish looks sleek in any kitchen while providing a durable, non-toxic cooking surface that won't leach chemicals even during extended slow cooking sessions. You'll find yourself using this multi-cooker daily thanks to its versatility. Beyond slow cooking, you can pressure cook, make rice, steam vegetables, sauté ingredients, make yogurt, cook eggs, warm food, and even sterilize items. The included app gives you access to over 800 recipes, so you'll never run out of meal ideas for your non-toxic slow cooker. Next up on my best non-toxic slow cooker list, we have the Zojirushi Multicooker, which stands out as an excellent non-toxic slow cooking option thanks to its BPA-free surfaces and tri-ply stainless steel construction. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate this multi-cooker's 18/8 stainless steel cooking pot that eliminates worries about harmful chemicals leaching into food. Unlike many slow cookers with non-stick coatings that may contain questionable compounds, Zojirushi prioritizes safety with BPA-free materials for all food contact surfaces. Although it does come with a Prop 65 warning, this is only because of the materials used in the quart, which obviously doesn't come into contact with your food. The thoughtful non-toxic design includes practical features that enhance usability, like a clear tempered glass lid, lets you monitor cooking progress without lifting the lid and losing heat. Similarly, the innovative resin handle allows the lid to stand vertically, saving counter space and preventing messy drips. For extra safety, the heating plate and cooking pot are concealed during operation. Versatility shines through the 9 distinct cooking settings that let you sauté, simmer, slow cook, steam, or prepare various grains. The 4 temperature options, ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for the slow cook function give you precise control over long cooking dishes. Many users particularly value the sauté sear option that allows browning meats before slow cooking, eliminating the need for a separate pan. Smart engineering appears in details like the removable power cord that detaches if accidentally snagged, preventing hot contents from spilling. An overflow guard directs any spills for easier cleanup, while the recessed handle makes transport and storage more convenient. These clever features reflect Zojirushi's reputation for quality kitchen appliances. The 6-quart capacity accommodates large cuts of meat and family-sized meals with ease. Its powerful one, 350-watt heating element distributes heat evenly across the large heating plate, resulting in consistent cooking results that surpass many competitors. You'll notice the difference in everything from perfectly cooked rice to tender, slow-cooked stews without hot spots or undercooked areas. Checking in at number 3 on my list of the safest slow cookers is the Wolf Gourmet Multifunction Cooker, which, although expensive, is worth the investment for health-conscious cooks seeking a premium, versatile, non-toxic, slow cooker with professional-grade performance. This multi-cooker stands out with its stainless steel cooking vessel, making it an excellent choice for those concerned about non-toxic cooking surfaces. Unlike many slow cookers that use ceramic or coated inserts, the Wolf Gourmet's vessel can be used directly on the stovetop for searing before slow cooking, minimizing cleanup and maximizing flavor development. I also like how Wolf Gourmet is completely transparent about the compounds used in the manufacturing process. On their website, I can see that they use things like iron, nickel, zinc, manganese, and chromium, rather than PFOA or PFAS chemicals. In terms of its cooking capabilities, you'll appreciate the programmable features that add convenience to meal planning. The dual programming option allows you to set 2 different cooking temperatures and times, perfect for recipes that need to start high, then reduce to a simmer. Similarly, the meal timer function lets you schedule exactly when your food should be ready, taking the guesswork out of dinner timing. The included temperature probe transforms how you approach slow cooking meats. Rather than guessing at timing, you can set an exact internal temperature and the cooker will automatically switch to warm mode once reached. This prevents overcooking and ensures perfect results whether you're making fork tender pot roast or delicate fish. For home chefs exploring different cooking techniques, the sous vide function opens up new possibilities without requiring a separate appliance. The precise temperature control maintains water at exact temperatures for gentle, even cooking that locks in moisture and nutrients. Rice cooking capabilities round out its versatility, handling both white and brown varieties with consistent results. The 7-quart capacity strikes a balance between being large enough for family meals while not overwhelming your storage space. Despite its premium price, the Wolf Gourmet's 5-year warranty provides peace of mind that this is a long-term investment. Taking second place on my safest, non-toxic slow cooker list, we have the popular VitaClay multi-crock stock pot, which is ideal if you're seeking a non-toxic, slow cooking option that offers versatility while enhancing the flavor of your bone broths, stews, and soups. The VitaClay multi-crock stands out from conventional slow cookers thanks to its natural purple clay interior. This unglazed Zisha clay pot is completely toxin-free, giving you peace of mind when preparing meals for yourself and your loved ones. Unlike metal or chemically treated cooking surfaces, the clay doesn't leach unwanted substances into your food. In an industry where many supposedly non-toxic brands are making their own non-stick coatings in a lab, it's refreshing to see that VitaClay opts for an organic material that's been in use for thousands of years all over the world. Unlike other products, VitaClay slow cookers also undergo yearly tests for dangerous compounds like lead, cadmium, arsenic, and mercury. Every time the results come back clean, which gives you great peace of mind while cooking family meals. What makes this cooker special performance-wise is its impressive speed. The unique thermal properties of clay allow it to cook thoroughly and evenly while dramatically reducing cooking time. You'll find your bone broths, stews, and soups ready in a fraction of the time compared to traditional slow cookers. This means you can start a nutritious meal after work and still enjoy it for dinner the same evening. Versatility is another key advantage of this 6-quart multi-cooker. It functions as a rapid slow cooker, soup maker, stew cooker, porridge maker, bone broth cooker, and even a yogurt maker. The clay material enhances flavors naturally, often requiring less salt and seasonings to achieve delicious results. Many users particularly praise its ability to create rich, flavorful bone broths with noticeable depth. Now for the best non-toxic slow cooker on the market. If you're looking for a truly non-toxic slow cooking option of heirloom quality, then the 360 Cookware 6-quart slow cooker set stands out with its surgical grade T316 stainless steel construction. This premium material ensures no harmful chemicals leach into your food even during long cooking sessions. This American-made slow cooker offers impressive versatility. You can use the 6-quart stock pot directly on any stovetop for quick meals, including induction, or place it on the included slow cooker base for countertop cooking convenience and delicious slow-cooked meals. One of the standout features is the innovative vapor cooking technology. Besides cooking your food faster, this method locks in nutrients and flavors without requiring added oils or water, resulting in healthier and more flavorful meals. Your roasts, stews, and soups will taste noticeably better now that you're using the 360 Cookware slow cooker. The set arrives with everything you need: the 6-quart gourmet stock pot with cover, slow cooker base, care guide, and certificate of authenticity. While the price tag is higher than typical slow cookers, you're investing in exceptional durability and American craftsmanship backed by a lifetime warranty. The pot is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you remarkable cooking flexibility. You can start dishes on the stove, finish them in the oven, or use the slow cooker base, all with the same high-quality pot. When cooking for larger families or gatherings, the generous 6-quart capacity provides plenty of space, making it perfect for batch cooking or meal prepping for the week ahead. But if 6 quarts sounds like too much, you can get the 360 Cookware slow cooker in 4-quart and 2.3-quart sizes as well. Although it's on the expensive side, the hundreds of glowing 5-star reviews make it clear that this USA handcrafted non-toxic slow cooker is the ultimate purchase for anyone who's truly serious about detoxifying their kitchen and cooking healthy meals for a lifetime. Okay, so there you have it. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on the best non-toxic slow cookers. Links to each product mentioned are in the description below. I really hope my guide helped you to pick a non-toxic slow cooker so that you can enjoy peace of mind while cooking and eating your meals.